죄송하지만 지금 도와드릴 수 없어요.
I'm afraid I can't help you right now.
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 유감스럽게도 오늘 예약이 꽉 찼어요.
I'm afraid we're fully booked today.
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 미안하지만 당신 생일을 잊었어요.
I'm afraid I forgot your birthday.
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 안타깝게도 안 좋은 소식이 있어요.
I'm afraid I have bad news.
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 죄송하지만 그는 지금 자리에 없어요.
I'm afraid he's not available at the moment.
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 유감이지만 이해가 안 돼요.
I'm afraid I don't understand.
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 죄송하지만 가게는 문을 닫았어요.
I'm afraid the shop is closed.
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 안타깝게도 너무 늦으셨어요.
I'm afraid you're too late.
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 죄송하지만 그건 불가능해요.
I'm afraid that's not possible.
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 미안하지만 핸드폰을 집에 두고 왔어요.
I'm afraid I left my phone at home.
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 안타깝게도 기차를 놓쳤어요.
I'm afraid I missed the train.
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 죄송하지만 당신이 착각하신 것 같아요.
I'm afraid you're mistaken.
I'm afraid you're mistaken.
I'm afraid you're mistaken.
I'm afraid you're mistaken.
유감이지만 동의하지 않아요.
I'm afraid I disagree with you.
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 죄송하지만 저희는 그건 제공하지 않아요.
I'm afraid we don't serve that here.
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 미안하지만 당신 책을 잃어버렸어요.
I'm afraid I lost your book.
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 죄송하지만 시간이 더 필요해요.
I'm afraid I need more time.
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 안타깝게도 날씨가 안 좋을 것 같아요.
I'm afraid the weather will be bad.
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 죄송하지만 출입증 없이는 들어갈 수 없어요.
I'm afraid you can't enter without a pass.
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 안타깝게도 파일이 손상되었어요.
I'm afraid the file is corrupted.
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 미안하지만 그녀는 몸이 좋지 않아요.
I'm afraid she's not feeling well.
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 유감이지만 당신과 함께 갈 수 없어요.
I'm afraid I can't go with you.
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 죄송하지만 기억이 안 나요.
I'm afraid I don't remember that.
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 미안하지만 그는 이미 떠났어요.
I'm afraid he's already left.
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 죄송하지만 기다리셔야 해요.
I'm afraid you'll need to wait.
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 안타깝게도 커피가 다 떨어졌어요.
I'm afraid we're out of coffee.
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 미안하지만 그건 제 책임이 아니에요.
I'm afraid that's not my responsibility.
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 유감이지만 실수를 했어요.
I'm afraid I've made a mistake.
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 안타깝게도 결과가 좋지 않았어요.
I'm afraid the results weren't good.
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 죄송하지만 이 자리는 이미 차 있어요.
I'm afraid this seat is taken.
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 미안하지만 돈이 부족해요.
I'm afraid I don't have enough money.
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 안타깝게도 인터넷이 끊겼어요.
I'm afraid the internet is down.
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 죄송하지만 성함을 잘 못 들었어요.
I'm afraid I didn't catch your name.
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 유감이지만 반품은 받지 않아요.
I'm afraid we can't accept returns.
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 미안하지만 저에겐 너무 비싸요.
I'm afraid it's too expensive for me.
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 유감스럽지만 그는 안 올 것 같아요.
I'm afraid he won't come.
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 미안하지만 늦을 것 같아요.
I'm afraid I'll be late.
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 유감이지만 오늘은 못 갈 것 같아요.
I'm afraid I can't make it today.
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 죄송하지만 그건 제 능력 밖이에요.
I'm afraid that's beyond my control.
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 미안하지만 여긴 올바른 장소가 아니에요.
I'm afraid this isn't the right place.
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 유감이지만 휴대폰 배터리가 나갔어요.
I'm afraid my phone battery died.
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 죄송하지만 할인은 불가능해요.
I'm afraid I can't give you a discount.
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 미안하지만 이미 식사했어요.
I'm afraid I've already eaten.
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 유감이지만 잘 안 될 것 같아요.
I'm afraid it's not going to work.
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 안타깝게도 버스는 이미 떠났어요.
I'm afraid the bus has already left.
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 죄송하지만 이건 허용되지 않아요.
I'm afraid this isn't allowed.
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 미안하지만 오해하신 것 같아요.
I'm afraid you misunderstood me.
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 유감이지만 그는 나타나지 않았어요.
I'm afraid he didn't show up.
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 죄송하지만 아직 준비가 안 됐어요.
I'm afraid I'm not ready yet.
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 미안하지만 시간이 부족해요.
I'm afraid we're running out of time.
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 안타깝게도 이 일은 제게 맞지 않아요.
I'm afraid this job isn't for me.
I'm afraid this job isn't for me.
I'm afraid this job isn't for me.
I'm afraid this job isn't for me.